Hey, it's Steven.
And I'm Kennedy.
And welcome to Oak Haven Homestead, where today we're going to show you
how we clean out our chicken coops.
Stay tuned. Well, thanks for staying tuned with us as we just show you how we maintain our chicken coops. Now, chicken coop maintenance is very important in happy, healthy hens. You don't want to have real dirty coops. If you can avoid it, clean it as often as you can. We work towards once a week, when at all possible minimum, sometimes twice a week, depending on if the chickens are able to free range a lot. A lot of that has to do with the weather. Right now we haven't had a lot of rain, so the chickens have been out every day. So the coops haven't been too bad over the last couple of weeks. So the first thing we do is make sure we have all of our supplies gathered. So we have our shavings, our wheelbarrow, our shovel and broom that we use to clean the coops. This particular coop is a lot easier to maintain than the other one because of the different ways that we built this one compared to the first one that we built. Utilize some lessons learned. We'll kind of walk you through and show you some of those features that we think are beneficial to a coop. But let's get right to it. So we got all the shavings out, and as you can see with this vinyl floor that we put down here, it cleans up much easier than a painted floor. So our other chicken coop has painted floors in it, and it can be painful with how that chicken poop will stick to it if it gets down on the thing. Now when we have our roosting rack that is removable, we put some vinyl up on this wall because you know our chickens are, when they sleep, they poop a lot at nighttime. And they were just making a mess on the wall. So we put this piece of sheet vinyl up here that kind of keeps that wall clean. We just take this off. We'll go pressure wash it and put it right back on. So this is how we get it cleaned out. So now when we come back, we'll start putting everything back together. We have a couple little cool things that we do once we have all the shavings back in, the roosting rack in, to kind of help maintain the chicken manure maintenance and kind of keep it a little bit under control. So we'll come right back here in a few. So now that we've got all our shavings back in, we put our roost rack back in, which I love having a removable roost rack in this chicken coop because it makes cleaning so much easier. We got the back vinyl wall protector pressure washed and cleaned up. And what we like to do is we put feed bags down here. We like to keep these underneath the roost rack. And what we do is this helps collect the manure, and it's easier to collect without a lot of the shavings in it. And then we're able to compost it in some of our compost bins. Now we do compost all the shavings and the manure. But when we can separate the manure from the shavings and compost it separate, it's a lot better. So this is just a little trick that we learned to put down. It really helps with controlling the manure. And also you don't have to change the shavings out as often when you do this. You can just change the bags out. So I can pull these bags out and put new bags in, and I'm not having to change the shavings as much. And it's just kind of an economical thing just to kind of save some money. Because for us, we have a bunch of these bags every week. Now you can wash them off and reuse them if you want to, if you don't have a lot. So if you only have a few bags a month, you can just use these, rinse them off, and reuse them. So but that's how we got it put together and got it all cleaned up, ready to close it up and let the chickens back in.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you learned something, but now I gotta go and clean this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.